Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Okay, today we will start our social technology book and lesson number 4 for grade 2, and your topic name is what is a machine. You have to open your page number 60. Okay, in simple words, machine is a tool which is made by humans and it helps to ease their work. Okay, they help us in uh, completing our work. Let's see, this is a page from your book. A machine is a useful tool made by humans to help them in their work. Some examples of machines are: we use a calculator to do math. Calculator is a machine. We use a car for traveling. It helps us to go on different places. Okay, all these are machines. You can see in your house there are lots of machines which we use to do our different works. For example, we use a refrigerator for cooling our products. And what else do we have? We have lots of machines. We use iron for pressing our clothes. We use air condition for our getting cool air. Okay, all these things are machines. Okay, let's see how many types of machines are there. There are three major types of machines: simple machines, they are also called tools. Okay, next is manual machine, and the third one is automatic machine. A simple machine is something that can apply force and change its direction. It makes our work easier. Okay, in simple machine we use our own force. Okay, we need physical force, and by using this machine we can easier our work. Okay, for example, if we want to cut something, we will use a scissor. You have to use your hands, and you have to apply force to cut something, a piece of paper. Okay, the next one is the examples are scissor and screwdriver. You have to open something, any kind of machine, any kind of thing, you have to use screwdriver driver. What you will do, you will apply force with the help of screwdriver and open the thing. Okay, the next one is a manual machine. A manual machine requires muscular power to work. Okay, you can see there is a picture of a cart and a bicycle. You will use your own force, physical force, your muscular power, and then you will do your work. For example, when you ride a bicycle, you have to use your legs, and you have to move the bicycle. The next one is a machine that works by itself by using some form of energy is called an automatic machine. These can follow instructions given to them. Okay, you only have to give the instructions, and the machine will do the all the work. Okay, for example, plain microwave. We only start the button, press the button. We use how we use a microwave. We put our food in the microwave and then just push a button. And what happened? Microwave use the electricity and heats up our food. So microwave use electrical energy and do the work done automatically. This is a form of automatic machine. Okay, now in the next page, we will discuss how automatic machine works. Okay, let's see. An automatic machine works in three steps. First one is, first it needs energy as well as instructions. We call this step input. We have to do some input. We have to give the instructions to the machine. Then the machine works and performs the required task. This is called This step is called processing. First of all, input, and then the machine starts working. That is processing. Finally, we get our required result. This step is called output. And after processing, the final result came. And this is output. The first step is input, the next step is processing, and the last one is output. Okay, let's see an example. We can better understand these steps if we take a look at a real life examples. For example, a microwave is a machine that help us both cook and warm up food. You all have microwaves in your house, you can check it. Put some food in the microwave and switch it on. Close the door of the microwave, select the duration and press start. Okay, this is how we hot our food or make our food in microwave. We put the food inside the microwave and give the microwave instructions. Wait for the microwave to warm up the food. You can see the duration on the timer. Okay, take out the food, be careful, it will be hot. Okay, this is the way how we cook our food or warm up our food. First step is the input, when we put our food inside the microwave and give it give him we give it instructions, all the instructions, for example timer and how much time we want to use it for cooking. The next step is the processing, in which we wait to warm up or cook up the food. The next one is the taking out of the food, that is the output. Okay, on the next page you can see the exercise. You have to solve it by your own. We have studied the whole chapter. Now you can do this exercise. This is your home task. And the next one is the activity. This is the activity on your page number 63. Collect some pictures of some machines and paste them in the boxes below. Also write down their names. Okay, you have to collect some pictures and then you have to write also write down their names. If you don't have the pictures, you can also draw them. Okay, but your drawing must be good. Okay, don't make mess. Okay. Okay, students, if you have any problem, you can contact us on our school number on our uh, mm, YouTube channel. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.